This is the Eureka Flash upright vacuum cleaner. It's a slim, lightweight, corded vacuum that works for both hard floors and low to medium carpets. It even turns into a handheld for quick cleanups. But its brush roll get clogged fast, and it doesn't have a HEPA filter. So is it worth the money? In this video, we'll analyze this upright vacuum on suction power, ease of use, and maintenance to find just that. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1, suction power. The Eureka Flash offers 15 kilopascals of suction, which is pretty solid for a corded stick vacuum. It picks up dirt, dust, and small debris well on hard floors and low carpets. But don't expect it to deep clean thick rugs. It's not made for that. In the baking soda test, it picked up the entire mess in just one pass. That shows it's got strong suction, especially for the price. On hard floors and low-pile carpets, it works really well. It picks up dust and crumbs easily in just 1 or 2 passes. For high-pile carpets, though, it's a different story. You'll need to go over the same spot a few times. It doesn't do a deep clean here. The handheld mode comes in handy for stairs, furniture, and tight spaces like car interiors. The brush roll is motorized and works great on both floors and carpets. But hair wraps around the brush pretty quickly, so you'll need to clean that often, especially if you've got pets. Now, let's move over to round number 2, ease of use. At little over 6 pounds, it's light enough for most people to carry and push around. It also has swivel steering, so moving it around furniture is smooth. As for noise, it runs at around 86 decibels, which can disrupt conversations. The 30-foot cord length is great. You can clean most rooms without replugging, but if your place is over 1,000 square feet, you may need to move outlets. A big bonus? The LED headlights. They make it easier to spot hidden messes under furniture or along baseboards. Small touch, but super useful. For crevices, there's a crevice tool. And for dusting or upholstery, you get a 2-in-1 upholstery tool with a brush. There are 2 speeds, lower for hard floors and higher for carpets. It's time to move to round number 3, ease of maintenance. The vacuum is bagless, and the dust cup is easy to remove and empty. No major complaints here. It also has washable filters, so you won't need to replace them too often. But they can get clogged fast with hair and dust. The post-motor filter is just a thin foam pad. It's not a HEPA filter, so if you have allergies or need finer filtration, this might not be ideal. But here's a downside. There's no wall mounting option. That makes storage a bit tricky. You have to lean it against something unless you use the included stand or docking station. Also, the handle can get hot if you use it for a long time. Finally, we come to round number 5, customer support and warranty. The Eureka Flash comes with a 3-year warranty on this model, which sounds great on paper. But based on real user reviews, Eureka's customer service is poor. Many said it was tough to get through or that responses took too long. So with all said and done, here's our final takeaway. If you want a light and affordable vacuum for daily messes around the house, this is a decent pick. Just keep in mind some of the quirks, like the upright storage issue and poor service reviews. But if you've got thick carpets, allergies, or pets with long hair, there are better options out there. We discussed 3 of them here, so check that out.